My name is Keith Dula, Supply Chain Manager at the Dixie Lexington facility. GP values are the core values that we live and breathe by. The one that I'm going to speak on today is self-actualize. Values are important because it helps us to be the best company that we can be. If somebody did not work at GP and want to know what self-actualize meant, I would tell them that the company wants them to have passion in what they do. They realize that you have a set of skills and talents that you come with, and they want to enhance that. They want you to be a lifelong learner, to find out what you're good at, to find out what your passions are, to continue to push yourself so you can create value for yourself, for the company, and for the community. The past 2 years at the Lexington facility, we've had people, both hourly and salary, step up into new roles and take on additional responsibilities. And when you see them come into a room and they're presenting ideas or they're reporting out on a project, you can feel the excitement in their voice. And when they see that project come to fruition, you can see how satisfied they are. I've done many different roles, but stretching myself, pushing myself to improve, to reach out and do new things has been very, very beneficial to me.